Hi guys, it's Ron. Take tips, take stuff. How's it going? 10 minutes ago, I received an email from ProductionCrate telling me that they have some new music out. And these are the new tracks. Anything with a star requires a pro membership. Let's see if there's any free ones in here. Here's free ones here. These are free. So anything without a star is a free download for anybody. Just register your email address and password and you can start downloading. So let's just listen to a couple here. Some of these are sound effects too. So here's sound effects here.
ProductionCrate.com.
Helicopter. Helicopter again. So you have sound effects and music all mixed together here. But these are all the new ones that just came out. Every Friday they have new music and sound effects that come out. So what I'll do is I'll put a link in the description below where you can check out these new sound effects and music from ProductionCrate. If you haven't signed up for ProductionCrate right now, you're missing out on a lot of awesome content. These guys, they're my friends, and they're awesome guys to deal with. Please check the link in the description below and check out these sound effects and music. Like I said, anything with a star requires a pro membership, but anything without a star, these are free downloads. Anyone can download them. All free downloads. So I'm not going to bore you with all the different sound effects in here and music. Just go ahead and check out ProductionCrate. If you haven't joined up yet, it's free to join, no string attached, and they have awesome products and awesome service. If you find this video helpful in any way, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.